The project name was the Glenora School Renewal. The project is located in downtown Edmonton. It's an inner city school, about 100 years of heritage at that school location. The intent is generally just a renewal for parking, sidewalks, plant materials, general facelift for the project. However, our project team decided to take a little bit more of a progressive step and really focus on stormwater management. So we decided that utilization of a soil cell system could work very well for stormwater management, retention, and then release and discharge. Further to that, we noticed that the building had an opportunity to tie into that soil cell system. We were able to integrate both the stormwater off of the parking lot and off of the rooftop, tying them both into the overall system and then discharging out. The biggest challenge so far on this project has been about the frost line. Our inverts of the storm system was above the frost line, so we saw that there was some challenges with the freeze up within the barrel of the catch basin. What we landed up having to do was create a weir system that would allow for overflow, and we've been able to overcome that, and so far it's been successful through its first couple of winters. The biggest value of working with soil cells, specifically the Strata system, is their flexibility in layout. It's a fully integrated and connected system. It uses 100% recycled materials, which gets the big green check mark. The speed that it goes in, the flexibility that it has, you can cut the system to any shape that you want. You can take away individual modules without compromising the integrity of the entire unit. That, coupled with the technical support, it makes working with this product so easy and so smooth. And then the actual system itself, being able to have the soil volume for the trees, stormwater retention, cleaning the water, and then having the benefits of great growth from trees, the passive cleansing of the water, so getting out all the hydrocarbons, all of the nasty materials, the salt loading out of the water, and that before it discharges into the city systems.
StrataVault is by far the easier product in this technology to work with. It is simpler to train our staff. It allows less opportunities for mistakes due to the simplicity of the install and the simplicity of the structure. There are more efficiencies to be gained, and it allows for deviation to design when you have to field fit.
One thing we like about working with StrataVault is flexibility, where we can work underground utilities within the system and continue on with construction. In the field, we find it's a very strong product. We can have a StrataVault system built up and our guys can freely walk across it. And that's extremely important because in every scenario that we've installed StrataVault to date, there's big concrete structure put on top of it. And so for us, knowing that the product underneath that's holding the soil volume, that's helping our plant material grow, having a structure like that that's going to stay in place for years and years to come is very important.
The advantages we see with City Green is a local supply. Having the supply local and an inventory build up locally, we don't foresee the same schedule challenges as we do with other products. We also really value the support we get from the City Green side, not only on the engineering and design, but installation. Any challenges, and they are very prompt in terms of their support.
So far, the results of the project to date have been a very well-established tree canopy. The caliper of the trees have grown about a half an inch over the first 2 years of its growth. We're noticing very, very little effluent coming out of the system, so we're capturing nearly 100% of a 1 in 5 year storm event.
From what we can see to date, we haven't had to replace a single tree within these soil cells. We've seen above and beyond what we expect to see in a normal hardscape install that doesn't involve the StrataVault. So we're very happy with the outcome so far.
We're finding that the project overall has been very, very well received by the clients and the students at Glenora School, and we're personally very happy with how it's turned out.